My name is David Charnushenko. I'm a life member of Clare Hall, and I had the opportunity to return to the college for the first time in a number of decades this past autumn. And on that occasion, I wanted to make a contribution to the college, but specifically to initiatives that would be reducing the environmental impact, the consumption of fossil fuels, any kind of sustainability initiatives. No such fund existed at the time, but I was thrilled that one was created following on my suggestion. And so I had the thrill of being the first contributor to Clare Hall's new Sustainability Fund. And I would like to encourage other Clare Hall life members, members of the community, to be contributors as well.
There are a lot of ways that funding can help in improving green initiatives. One way is obviously the allotment. I think the allotment has changed a lot since I came here, and it's actually a relatively new project. I think it's only been there for about 4 years. It was started from scratch, and if it wasn't for green funds that were available in Cambridge, it wouldn't be possible to even get it to this point.
We're really lucky to live in Clare Hall and to work and study in Clare Hall. Beautiful building, beautiful campus, beautiful site. But of course the building and a lot of the estate was built at a time where we didn't know as much about insulation, about energy efficiency and these things. And the technology has really improved in the last 50, 60 years. And so it's time to update our buildings, our estate. Number of ways we can do that: by insulating better, by double glazing our windows, by installing solar panels on some of our roofs. These things are all, again, little things, but they can compound to make a difference. And of course, they need financial support to happen. As we approach our 60th anniversary of Clare Hall and look towards the next 60 years, these sort of estate improvements will really be important to both life in college, to keep us warm in the winter, to keep us cool in the summer, but also in a more symbolic way to illustrate how we take the climate crisis seriously, to illustrate how sustainability is a core value of the college, and to demonstrate to our peers and the university that this is something that is worth investing in and is very important to us.
There's a lot of energy loss in the college, and I think that's kind of negatively affecting people who live there. So of course, if we improve this, we would see benefits both for individuals and for the college itself. Like, college would need to spend less on the energy bills, and people would need to pay less, and they will be more comfortable. And also, I think it would just make their life better, because there would be these things that they wouldn't need to think about, but also they would know that they are a part of an organization and a college that it's doing its part.
So one of the beauties of Clare Hall, once you study here, once you work here, you're part of Clare Hall for life, and these improvements will really benefit life members as well as the current students and staff and fellows who are here. Whenever you come back to Clare Hall, if you're staying in a guest room, if you're eating in the dining hall, improving the insulation, improving energy efficiency, championing these initiatives to become a more sustainable college will benefit you as a life member, your peers as life members. So these things are really important, not just to the current batch of people who are here, but to everyone affiliated with Clare Hall.